Lydia, and we'll be drawing Maui, my pet dog. So this is what he looks like. We're going drawing him, and I hope you like it. Okay, so we need a small kind of paper, as you see. We need only one pencil for this activity, and for this drawing you need 8 color pencils. Okay, so the coloring pencils you need a super light yellow and a normal yellow, a peach, a grey, and for those last 4 you just need aqua and 3 greens. First we are gonna draw his ears, nice and big. Now when you have finished that, you're gonna draw his head, cover it around that. Now we'll draw his other ear. It's simply just the same. You can draw a smaller or bigger. Okay, so now you have the head and the 2 ears. We're going to draw his head, the face to connect his mouth. You can do a round, you can do a longer, but I prefer to do it like this. Okay, now when you have done that, we're going to draw its mouth. I would be liking to have a tongue sticking out, so draw a triangle shape but curved and circled. You color it in, put a line down. Now when you have drawn this line down, use small and from the middle put down. Now from above the height of his nose, draw a smile, and then just in the middle of this, draw a tongue sticking out. Now we have drawn the mouth. All we need to do is do the eyes. The eyes I'm going to draw like this. It's so long, like that. As you can see, my eyes are like a cylinder shape, but it's like a circle. Like you can do a normal circle, or you can do eyelashes. Once you've done that, we're going to draw his back. When you have seen Maui, he was standing. So from his left ear at the top, draw a nice long shape and wiggly, very smooth. Just gonna draw his ear. Now cover down to draw its leg. When you have got to this shape, draw another line, that. Now that's his leg. All we need to do is the feet. You can draw some small toes picking out. Now when you have drawn that, make it a bit higher and then connect it over here to have another one, the front legs. So the same, just need to do a bit longer. Now when you have these two connected, and you can do a collar. It doesn't really have a collar. Like that. Now every dog has 4 legs, right? So from the other one, draw a small leg from behind. Now you can choose whatever tail you like from the back. Mary's usual tail is like this. To draw like that. Now this is very easy, but now I'm going to choose the setting for dog. So he'll be on a stool. You can draw on the grass, but I am going to draw on some steps. You can copy me, like drawing on the stools. Very easy. If you want to draw a stool in the middle, you have to cover it, not to draw on the back. So it looks very realistic. And I can draw some bushes on the back. So it looks like a garden. And little stools, rocks. On some places. You can choose to do some trees or some grass on it. Now all we need to do is for the coloring. The green, you just need the bush. The yellow and the peach, mix it up to draw a dog. And the yellow and the grey, you can use it to draw the petals. And you can add a colour. Perhaps I will add light blue to draw the petals. Okay, now we have to colour it in. I hope you like it. I finished my coloring. So for the tongue, you just add another red on it. And for the bushes, you just need all of your greens to make up as this color. You can add a bit aqua, so it looks like more lighter. And I hope you like it. I hope you like to draw a dog. Bye.